This.
Parang ano yun yung ano mo? Beads. I'll taste.
No, grab yours.
Mm.
Taste green first.
Green.
first.
Green. Mm. Green.
What?
Bubblegum ba to? Fruity. Sarap.
Sarap ng amoy.
Hindi naman maasim eh.
Amoy siyang asin.
Fruit eh. So, hindi siya bubblegum. Parang siyang Mentos yung texture.
Kasi taksan niya pa.
Yun lang. Ano next color?
Blue.
Blue.
Nililin ko na to.
Kainin mo naman. Blue. Blue. 1, 2, 3. Mas, ano siya? Mint. Asim. Asim siya.
Did you eat?
Yeah.
Did you eat? I want another green.
O, yung green, masarap. Light lang. Next one.
Purple.
Purple. Ang asim ng blue.
Ay, na-eat ko na.
Ano na purple? Parang siyang cherry balls.
Ang sarap ng purple.
Purple. Ang asim.
Parang siyang Mentos na grapes.
Shin, charge mo kayo ano, Shin. Yung Shin.
Ang asim ng blue.
Yung charge mo.
Okay.
Water.
Purple.
Parang siyang green yung Mentos. Yung
Yeah.
purple.
O, parang siyang Mentos. Di ba may yung Mentos, may mga flavors din. What color?
Ilang?
Tingnan mo muna.
Sarap nun eh.
May asim din konti yung purple. Ngayon pink. Sarap.
First time ko din gagawin. Kaya sabi
Yung
ko,
green.
why
Yung
not
lasa ba?
trying something new for
Walang
me?
lasa.
And I think this is the good
The man and his boss had been stranded at sea for 3 days.
Alam ko na gusto mo. Pink tsaka
The
green.
man could finally no longer bear the
Ano?
loneliness. While his boss was asleep, he quietly slipped off his
Sarap yung
pants.
pink.
It turned out he had decided to try fixing the engine one more time, unexpectedly.
Okay.
Nalunok ko. Buo pa.
Ay,
When his boss woke up,
Dalawang
she
beses.
discovered she was
Yeah.
alone on the small boat and immediately let out a
Bilog.
blood-curdling
Buo.
scream until she saw Jay surface,
Flat.
right instantly regained the elements
Next naman ito.
and began immediately yanking
Ako
Jay
magtitikim.
quickly. Fortunately, after some minutes, the man
Gusto ko tong dalawa.
Oo nga. Ay, green and
the boat had been the ocean currents for several days.
lasang,
Absolutely no idea where they were. Half an hour
lasang
later, the boat ran out of gas. They were stranded at sea
taste
once again.
of juicy beef and original sauce.
He miraculously caught a
Can't
small
stop
fish
it.
from the sea,
Barbecue
but he couldn't
flavor.
bear
Lasang
to
barbecue
kill it all
flavor.
himself. So he decided to
Here.
share it with
Na
his
gusto
boss
mo to
to make it more
barbecue.
palatable for her.
Naririnig ko yung cellphone nila.
Sarap.
Even added a pinch of sea salt for seasoning. Although Ray was accustomed to plain cuisine,
Sarap.
her stomach was growling with hunger, so she had no choice but to suppress her nausea and give it a
Sarap.
try. However, the moment her tongue touched the fish, a
Sarap,
foul,
parang
fishy
siyang
stench hit her nose. Seeing that his boss simply couldn't
shape ng ano, cheese. Ano yung ano? Cheesy? Cheesy?
his surprise, Ray simply
Easy lang yun.
Cheesy, yung may blue tsaka may
Red.
red. Oh, the barbecue flavor. Ano yung shape? Well,
Ako yung amoy.
sarap kaya.
Ayoko yung amoy.
Ano ba ba to? Bubblegum o palilunokin?
Pero yun doon kayo, parang Mentos. Sa doon, sarap. Tama mo. Hop.
Pwede ko siya lunukin na to.
Ano naman? Sa mama.
Ah!
Ba yan? Uy!
Small.
Sarap. Parang yung tikman natin na may Doraemon na ano. Hindi lang natin na videohan. Meron yung may Doraemon na parang hotdog style na
Parang
chichirya
Doritos.
natin. Ay, lumpia na chichirya. Parang Doritos to.
Nasa saan dito?
Lasang Doritos. Yung parang lumpia na Philippine chichirya. Yung kinain natin. Parang sweet corn.
Doesn't chicken.
Parang chicken. Okay. Like it.
Ano na ba ito?
Binigay lang ito eh. Galing daw to ng Japan.
Sayang.
Friend ni Ninang. Tama ba? Tama pa. Sarap. That's all.
Ano na, busog na.
Small.